Hi, I am Aranganathan. I am father of Madesh. Madesh is studying in 4th grade in KTN online school. The change that I see is he's much excited to attend the class. He's very much happy to mingle with other Indian kids, and then his knowledge level got much improved. I am really thankful for the teachers who are teaching via online. Thank you very much.
Hello, I'm Pranav. I study grade 3 and I like studying grade 3 a lot because teacher teach me a lot. So I like teachers so much because they thank you because they are teaching kids so much.
Hello KTN, this is Rao. So we are happy with the KTN classes. So they are teaching well, all the teachers. So especially my son had improved his level of subjects is very nice. So we could say thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Sandhya. My son is studying grade 3. I am very thankful for teachers because they are very patient to explain kids the subjects, and they are good explanation and understanding about the kids condition. I am so thankful for this good thing. Thank you.
Yeah, hello, sir. This is Roshit's mom. He is in fourth grade. Yeah, KTN online school is very useful for my son. I would like to appreciate all the KTN coordinators and all the teachers, those who are taking the classes for the kids. Actually, these classes are very useful for my son because in his case, he is not having any textbooks in his school. Even though he is studying in an international school, I wonder after going to India how he would manage CBSE syllabus. So we bought all the CBSE books for his grade and I am teaching him at home, especially the second language, the Hindi and Tamil. So luckily, you arranged a great opportunity for us to study the CBSE curriculum. So we are very happy to have this class. After attending this class, even my son, now he is able to read Hindi and Tamil very easily, and he can manage to write test with more confidence and without fear. Okay, so it's very useful. I want to thank all the teachers who are giving their best effort to bring the kids in a better way. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, this is father of Arapreet Singh. I would like to express my thank to the entire management of KTN Digital School. It has been a great 1 year with the KTN school, and my son has learned a lot. And I must admire all the efforts of teachers and the non-teaching staff for their full support towards the keeping the education going. Even amid this pandemic, they have continued with their lectures, and the efforts which have been put up by the teachers is really commendable. Special thanks to Harish sir, who has been teaching maths to my son, along with Vemula sir, who is teaching EVS, and Miss Amita teacher, who has been teaching Hindi and English to Arav. We as parents really feel thankful to you because in a country which is not our hometown, it's really hard to teach our children regarding the national language Hindi as well. And my son is learning Hindi quite good and quite well, and it's really we are really thankful for all the efforts which you have been putting. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Janani. I'm from Karnataka. I've done my MTech in computer science field and I am taking classes through KTN Digital Online School for the grade 5 kids. KTN is doing a good job in giving the children, specifically Indian kids who are residing in Korea, a quality by CBSE related education. The motto of this KTN is to give the children Indian CBSE syllabus knowledge. It helps kids in understanding the concepts which helps in their curriculum, and also to those kids who wants to go back to India and join the CBSE or state syllabus board. After the start of the KTN Digital Online School, we have received good feedback from the parents and they are happy regarding the teaching. We have seen a confidence raise in both the parents and the kids. Along with the classes, we give them the assignments, we correct them, and any mistakes we'll let them know with the proper answers. And even after each class test, we'll correct the papers, and in any mistakes we have come across, we'll correct them with the proper answers and we'll tell them, the kids. When it comes to kids, we have given the tips representing the answers in a better way, because it varies. The kids were answering in the Korean standard classes. When it comes to the Indian standard, they were not much aware of it, and the KTN has helped them a lot in this. My tip is to the students of the KTN school to fetch the maximum out of the teachers, regardless of how many times they ask the teachers. They don't give up until they get the answers or the concepts clear. Don't hesitate to ask. If you really wanted to know some concepts to be cleared, just go ahead and ask the teachers. We will definitely try our best. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Syed Afras. I am studying in KTN Digital Online class, and I am studying in grade 8, and I'm studying in subjects like math, science and English, and my in-charge teachers are Rao sir and Kanmani ma'am and Yasha Shri ma'am. They are taking our class for me also in a very busy time, and I am very thankful for them. My Rao sir, he is very good. His method of teaching is very nice. I could find everything about science. Apart from the book, he will also teach like in presentation and from in Google like that. And Yasha Shri ma'am, she is very good in teaching. She is expert in teaching like in English process, poem, grammar, like that. She is very expert. Kanmani ma'am, she is very kind, and she will explain every steps in the maths, and she is very good at teaching. I am grateful that thanks for taking me in the busy time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Jogita Sri. I am 7 years old. I'm studying KTN Online School, and I study English, Tamil and Maths. My Maths teacher name is Shrutika teacher. He helped me how to write Maths. And my dance teacher name is Vidya teacher, and he tells how to do Bharatanatyam. I love my Maths and Bharatanatyam. எனக்கு இங்கிலீஷும் மேக்ஸும் தமிழும் மேலே தெரியும். பார்த்ததுக்கு நன்றி. KTN Online School.